think it is 12th one or 11th one? Answer me, dear students. 11th? Okay. So what is the question here? A vector A is of length. Vector A and vector B length ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೌದಾ? And they are telling about the first quadrant and second quadrant. We'll see. First we'll draw the quadrant. So please all of you look at the question number 11 that we are discussing about the quadrant. ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಓಕೆನಾ ನೌ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ so this is first quadrant all of you know it is a positive this is positive and here it is a minus x and this will be minus y ಹೌದಾ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ is it clear to all ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ a is of length means if it is a vector means from here to here its magnitude is how much 2 centimeter then take this vector a and place here in first quadrant once again vector a is of length 2 centimeter right and is 60 degree above the x axis first quadrant x axis and above means here you have to take 60 degree just draw here this is vector a and having a magnitude 2 centimeter and angle is how much ma 60 degree vector a is of length how much here 2 centimeter and 60 degree above the x axis that is in the first quadrant is it clear to all idu hege hakide anta gottaita everyone please look at the board now similarly vector b second vector just draw the second vector and that second vector also having the length how much ma 2 centimeter and again it is having an inclination at a 60 degree but below the x axis that is in the fourth quadrant ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೌದಾ so in fourth quadrant draw vector b and it is also having a 60 degree below the x axis above the x axis see the difference first and the fourth quadrant now this will be vector b this is having a 2 centimeter so this is the given data howda istu kottidare now you have to calculate sum of a plus b that is sum of vector a plus vector b magnitude if you did a plus b means you will get a resultant r na that magnitude along which direction you have to calculate here artha agtidena the sum of vector a plus vector b is equals to you will get a certain answer and that answer should be along which axis either x axis y axis or negative x negative y helbeku so to calculate this one they didn't give what is vector a and what is vector b you have to calculate right now everyone look at the board first vector a ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ first I am going to consider only this one vector a I will draw here let us take this is a figure a now draw one more diagram that is vector a again it is having a 2 centimeter and a degree 60 degree theta value so this is what y axis this is x axis now a single vector is given means you know how to resolve you have to resolve a single given vector into two components one is along horizontal another is along vertical okay now so theta with respect to which axis that you have to take it as a cos theta theta ಎಲ್ಲ angle create ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ which axis ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು cos theta ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು angle is created with respect to x axis that's why just break this one you will get this is a cos theta and here it is a sin theta ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ see once again this is what a cos theta and this is a sin theta so now vector a is resolving into two components one is horizontal another is vertical ಇಷ್ಟಂತೂ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ so from this you can calculate here a value is given theta is given then ax and ay can you calculate how much you will get ax is equals to a is 2 into cos theta is 60, right? 2 into cos 60, 1 by 2, 2 get cancels, answer is 1. Similarly for here, ay is equals to a is 2 into sin 60. So sin 60 is how much? 2 into root 3 by 2, 2 get cancels, the remaining answer will be root 3. Is it clear? Now see here, ax value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, ay value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ root 3. Now you can write the components. How to write a component? Vector a is equals to ax plus ay. Can you write? Single vector ಇದನ್ನ ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. Now write the value. So vector a can be written as a magnitude and direction. Always magnitude ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? This is magnitude and its direction. Now magnitude ಅಂದ್ರೆ given value along x axis, along y axis. Just write here vector a is equals to ax ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 along x axis. That's why take it as a I cap. Positive x axis ಇದೆ. Text again y axis is along the positive y axis. Right here plus, and again ay magnitude is how much? root 3. Direction j cap. This is vector a. Did you got? ಈ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Similarly for b. Stop writing. Look at the board. Let us take it as a figure b. Now we are resolving similarly for a vector b. Vector b ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದೇ ತರ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Once again draw here. Let us take it as a x. This will be y. This will be minus y. This will be minus x. And here it is your vector b. Right here vector b is equals to 2 centimeter, and again its angle will be 60 degree. Is it clear? Now how to resolve? ಯಾವ ತರ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? One is along horizontal, another is along vertical. Just to draw here. So this is your ax and here it is ay. Now I will calculate here. Ax is equals to theta is with respect to x. Then this will be what? Cos theta, and another side will be sin theta. Suppose e theta ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು? This vertical component is cos theta. This will be sin theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Right. Ax is equals to x component ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Sorry, we are writing about a b. Sorry. Let us take it as a bx, and this is by. Why? We are talking about a vector b. Now write here bx component. This will be b cos theta. Now b value is how much? Again it is 2 cos 60. Right. bx is equals to 2 into cos 60 is again 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Answer is 1. This is what? Horizontal component. Now take a vertical component. See here, vertical component, it is a downward. Downward means by. Just calculate here first. by is equals to b sin theta. b value is 2 sin 60. Again sin 60 value is how much ma? root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. The magnitude will be root 3. Now bx and by, you know that you can write a similar for vector b. Therefore vector b can be written as bx plus by. Right? Now vector bx can be written as a magnitude of this one and along with direction. Now bx ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ horizontal component. bx value is how much? 1 I cap. This is along the positive x axis. That's why it is a positive. Next by is negative axis. That's why take here negative. Now by value is how much? root 3. Y direction j cap. Now you got a and b. Now you can calculate how? Resultant r is equals to vector a plus vector b. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ. How to resolve vector a and vector b. Now calculate vector a. r is equals to a ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Just write here 1 I cap plus root 3 j cap. this is vector A plus vector B ಏನಿದೆ 1 I cap minus root 3 j cap, right? Now what you have to do? I component you can separate it and y component you can separate it. I and j or x and y ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Resultant r is equals to 1 I cap plus 1 I cap, or you can take I cap common na, 1 plus 1 I cap plus here root 3 minus root 3 into j cap. So plus root 3 minus root 3 0 and resultant r is equals to how much ma? 2 I cap. See here magnitude is 2 and the direction is I cap. I cap antandre x axis, so there is no negative, then answer is along with the positive axis. Answer is 2 along with the positive x axis. What is the option number? Option ಇದೇನ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದು 2i ಅಂತ, 2 along with the positive x axis. It is there or not? Option number, yes, option B is right answer. Mark it. Can I explain once or it is understood clearly? Ma, very important for competitive exam. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಮಾ. ಖುಷಿ? ಸೊ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ? ಏನು? Is everyone done? Now go for next one. Next question. So those who have not taken, I will send a screenshot later. Which is the next problem, ma? Please, anyone? Determine that vector which when added to the resultant of, please tell me here, vector A is 3i cap minus 5j cap plus 7, right? What about B, ma? Minus 3 cap. Okay, so you have to determine, first listen the question carefully. See here, determine that vector which when added to the resultant of these two, vector A and vector B. Resultant ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ vector A plus vector B ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ resultant ಸಿಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಆ resultant ಗೆ you are going to add one more vector. That vector you have to calculate, right? And one more hint they are given. That resultant gives what? Unit vector along y direction. So first you have to add these two vectors, you will get some resultant. So for that resultant you are going to add one more vector. Which vector you are going to add, that you have to calculate. That is along with the y direction. So y direction andre unit vector ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Along y direction, what is unit vector? J cap, right? So first resultant vector, or you can write here vector C plus vector R is equals to j cap. This is the given question. You have to determine this vector C. this vector C is going to add to this resultant vector, that is sum of A plus B, and along with the which direction? Y direction, and they are mentioned along with the negative Y direction unit vector. So unit vector is J cap. Now first calculate R. What is R here? Resultant R is equals to A bar plus B bar. So right here vector A is 3 I cap minus 5 J cap plus 7 K cap, plus vector B is 2 I cap plus 4 J cap minus 3 K cap. Now you have to separate I cap, J cap and K cap. So resultant R is equals to 3 plus 2 I cap idu matte idu just add madri. Next this minus 5 and 4J plus minus 5 ide en madri 4 minus 5J positive and then negative, plus again minus 3 ಇದೆ 7 minus 3 K cap. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Same you will get 3 I cap 2 I cap, again here plus 4 J cap and minus J cap, and here also plus 7 cap and minus 3 K cap. Now add how much you will get now? 3 plus 2 it is 5 I cap, here minus 1 or simply J cap, ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, understood. Next plus plus or minus plus 4 K cap. This is what your resultant vector. Now let us take it as equation 1. Now substitute this equation in 1, you will get a vector C. Let vector C be the required vector. So determine the vector which is added to the resultant, which is that vector C. Now C bar plus R bar is equals to J cap. Now you want to calculate a vector C. Keep here as it is and shift this R to right side. J cap minus vector R. Now write R value. How much you got? Just write here. Vector C is equals to J cap as it is minus of, right, 5 I cap minus J cap plus 4 K cap. ಇವಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. J cap as it is minus into plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 5 I cap minus minus plus J cap minus into plus minus 4 K cap. Now here 2 J terms are there and all the 2 terms are positive, then you can add here C bar is equals to minus 5 I cap plus J means plus 2 J cap minus 4 K cap. It is there in option. Minus 5 I cap plus 2 J cap. Option A, right. Option A is correct. Mark it. Option A is right. Then you need a time to note down or return. Okay. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So next question. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Please tell me a data here. What they are given? Vector A and vector B, C. All the 3 vectors are given. You have to calculate a certain value. Right. Question. Please tell me. Vector A is how much ma? Right. B. Minus K cap. Vector C 6 I cap minus 2 K cap, right. If vector A, vector B, vector C are given, then you have to calculate a value. What is that? Vector A minus 2 into vector B plus 3 into vector C. How the? This is the given question. Now there is a option. We'll see which one is right answer. First, note down this equation. Minus 2B plus 3 into C. This is equals to. First vector A ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ as it is ಹಂಗ ಬರೀರಿ. What is that? 2i cap plus j cap. Next minus ಇದೆ minus 2 ಇದೆ 2 into b bar ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ just write here 3 j cap minus k cap. Next plus ಇದೆ so write here plus into 3 again vector C as it is right here 6 I cap minus 2 k cap. Okay now complete the bracket. Now just multiply this minus 2 and plus 3 inside this bracket, you will get the answer. This is equals to first term write as it is 2i cap plus j cap minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6 j cap minus minus plus 2 k cap plus 3 6 are 18 I cap plus into minus minus 3 2s are 6 k cap. Simple. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ನೌ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್, add I caps, J caps and K caps. You will get the answer. So 2 I cap and 18 I cap. How much mark? 18 plus 2. 18 plus 2 I cap. Next plus J cap ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? 1 minus 6 J cap plus K cap andre 2 minus 6 K cap. Now write the final answer. It will be 20 I cap plus into minus minus 5 J cap. Next again plus into minus minus 4 K cap. It is there in option. Option B is right answer. Okay, just mark on B. Option B is right answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ? Still you people are facing any difficulty while solving vector addition? No? If it is there, please tell me here. No na? Right. Next problem. Question. If a vector A, B, C are given, so again 3 vectors are given, you have to calculate a Ty vector, right? Please tell me here. A, B, C are vector A is how much? Ax I cap, Ay J cap, Az K cap, right? Next similarly vector B is given, how much it is? Okay, next C vector, please tell me. Okay, okay, these are the given question. A, B, C 3 vector ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So and along with that they are mentioned equation. What is that equation? Please tell me here. T is equals to A plus B minus C, right? ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? You have to calculate a Ty, right? This is the question now. So first you have to calculate a components. The here T is nothing but R, resultant R. First you have to add all these 3 equations. Solution. This is the given question and answer will be first. ಈ equation ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Here vector T is equals to vector A andre first write here. Now A vector ಏನಿದೆ as it is Ax I cap, Ay J cap plus Az K cap plus write here B vector Bx I cap, By J cap plus bz k cap. Then minus c ಇದೆ, minus of c ಏನದು cx I cap, cy j cap, cz k cap. Now a and b there is no change, we can write as it is, but here minus you have to multiply inside. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಲಿ, ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ವೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಝೆಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. ರೈಟ್ ನೌ you can write separate the components. First I cap, j cap, k cap, separate it. ax plus bx minus cx I cap. See here all of you, ax bx cx, but the difference is minus ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು minus ಒಳಗಡೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus cx. This is a I component along the x axis. Plus now j cap, j cap andre take ay by cy, right here ay plus by minus cy. Please remember the signs amma, one sign mistake aaytu andre whole answer is wrong, you will lose a 4 marks. Plus last term what is that, az plus bz minus cz k cap. Okay na? Now vector t is equals to, once again stop writing, look at the board all of you. Ready? The given question is what, t is equals to a plus b minus c ಇದೆ. Similarly a plus b minus c ಇದೆ. Here x indicates what, along x component, I indicates what, direction. All three components are lying in x axis, that's why direction is I cap. Then this can be written as t ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, a plus b minus c, and again x you are writing means this is along the x axis and direction a cap. Similarly for here it is a plus b minus c ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ t, and y indicating what, components are vertically upward, that is ty, direction will be j cap, and that term will be tz k cap. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now what they are asking, ty ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. Still one more step, where tx is equals to, tx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, write the value here, I cap ಬಿಟ್ರೆ coefficients equate ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, just now you are equating this equation with this equation, right? I cap ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಉಳ್ಕಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, equate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Here tx is equals to what, ax plus excuse me, right. Next ty component ay plus by minus cy, and third component tz, what is that, az plus bz minus cz. Now can you identify the answer? ty ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, what is ty here, ay plus by minus cy, it is there in option, which option, option D na, right, option D is right answer, mark on option D. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅದು ಹೇಗಂತ, ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ. Can I send a screenshot or it is done? No need to send a screenshot now? Or still you are writing? All the students I am asking, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, right? Can I go for next? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಂ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿ. Again they are given a AB vectors, you have to calculate a RX component. It is similarly just you have done like that only. Now tell me vector A is how much? Next vector B, ನೋಡ್ರಿ BX ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, BY, next BZ K cap, right? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ R is equals to vector A plus vector B, right? Again one more hint they are given, A plus B, Rx I cap, Ry J cap, Rz K cap. Then you have to find Rx. Ready now? ಮಾಡೋಣ, easy ಇದೆ. Try yourself. If you are struggling, you can copy. Solution. So first, resultant R is equals to A plus B. A hint ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ. A ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? Right here as it is, AX I cap plus AY J cap plus AZ K cap plus right B, BX I cap, BY BZ, right? Now component I, Y, next K, separate ಮಾಡಿ. Resultant R is equals to AX plus BX I cap plus AY plus BY into J cap, right? AZ plus BZ into K cap. Now resultant vector R is equals to, here A plus B is nothing but what? R. Here it is X component is there, that's why Rx I cap as it is. Here also again A plus B is there along Y component, J cap. Where Rx andre ಏನಮ್ಮ? AX plus BX. Next Ry ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ AY plus BY. Next RZ ಅಂದ್ರೆ right. ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ RX ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿ, RY ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿ, RZ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. You can write now. So which is the right answer? RX, AX plus BX. Option C is right answer. Option C, right answer. Is finished? ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? Can I go for next? So again you have to calculate a magnitude and a direction. So please tell me vector A and vector B value here. Question. Vector A is how much ma? Next vector B. Is right now? So you have to calculate a magnitude and a direction of A plus B. So solution, resultant R is equals to again A plus B. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? addition ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Vector R is equals to 4 I cap minus 3 J cap plus 6 I cap plus 8 J cap. I cap add ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Resultant R is equals to 4 plus 6 10 I cap, next plus 8 minus 3 5 J cap. This is the magnitude of resultant vector R, right? Now in Cartesian form if it is a resultant vector R, then you are resolving into two components. Look at here. This is what magnitude. ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಹೌದಾ? ಏನದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ magnitude question mark and second one direction question mark. Look at the board here. Resultant is there R. This can be resolved into two components because I and J are there. So along x-axis, which is the answer? Along x-axis, which component? 10 I cap and here 5 J cap. So this is a rectangle, means this is also 5 and this is also 10. Can you write now? Same equation in the ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್. ನೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, that is tan theta is equals to, directly you can write tan theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? y axis upon x axis. y axis is what? 5 divided by 10. This will be 1/2. Theta is equals to tan inverse of 1/2. Option is there now. Option B is right. Hey, wait, still we didn't calculate magnitude. So to find a magnitude, what is the formula here? Magnitude ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ mod ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Magnitude of R is equals to under root square of this I cap and the square of this J cap coefficient, that is 10 and 5 square. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 10 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ, is it? 5 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 plus 25. Oh my god, 125. Next, again 25 into 5 andre 125. 25 5s are, again 25 can be take out, that is 5 root 5. This is the magnitude 5 root 5 and tan inverse of 1/2. It is there now. Please mark or tick on option B. Option B. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಪ್ಯಾರಲೆಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಅಂತ. ಇವಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. Next go for fifth question. Fifth or sixth ma? What is the question number? I didn't remember. Please. Fifth. What is the given question here? X and Y components of a force acting at a 30 degree to X axis are respectively. So you have to calculate a X component and Y component you have to calculate, and in XY plane there is a particle. On that particle some force is acting in which direction? With respect to X, making an angle 30 degree. Let us take it as a F, and it is making an angle 30 degree with respect to X axis. Right. The X and Y components of force F acting on a particle at a 30 degree to X axis. X axis again agide theta form agide. Then you have to calculate a X and a Y. That is nothing but a horizontal and a vertical component. What you have to do? Just to resolve it. Resolution of vectors. Theta illide andre this will be what? Cos sin amma. F cos theta. This is what? Fx. And here this will be what? Fy is equals to F sin theta. Calculate here. X component. Fx is equals to f cos theta. F ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? They didn't mention any value, just write as it is. Cos of 30 degree, fx is equals to f into cos 30 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ root 3 by 2. Then fx answer will be root 3 by 2 into f. This is a horizontal component. Next, vertical component, that is y component. How to calculate y component? Right here, fy is equals to f sin theta. Next, so f value we don't know, sin 30, right? Sin 30 is how much ma? Fy is equals to f into 1 by 2. So you can write here fy is equals to 1 by 2 into f. This is your vertical component. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? And the fourth one, option ಏನ್ರಿ? Option C. Right. Mark on option C. And the remaining things just I will explain amma. Follow it, pencil ತಗೊಂಡಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. Fourth one, it is similar to the 11th or 12th one. Just you have to take another vector C. You have to calculate the C vector, that is vector C plus R is equals to j cap, because again they are mentioned in unit vector along y axis. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Almost students are done. Those who have not done, for those I am telling, I am giving a hint here. Fourth one, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Excuse me. C bar plus R bar is equals to j cap. Remaining things follow it. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? R bar calculation ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, then add to j cap. You will get the answer. Next, third one, again a force is given, that is 5 Newton, and it is making an angle 60 degree with vertical. So just I will explain this one. There is a force vector is given. This is x, this will be y. The force is how much? 5 Newton, and it is making an angle with the vertical component. You have to take an angle here, that is 60 degree. Angle with respect to vertical component. Then now tell me the x component. Fx will be f sin theta, and fy will be f cos theta. f ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಇದೆ, vertical component calculation ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 5 into cos of 60. So 5 into 1 by 2. How much you will get? 2.5 Newton. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಆಂಗಲ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಕೇಳಿಸಿದೆನಾ ಪುಟ?